We're heading to...
I'm in the back seat.
Hey, it's a comfortable back seat. It's like a race car.
Is it?
Don't you feel like you're in a race car right now? Is your seatbelt on?
Yes.
Okay. You look very pretty. Oh, look at your face. Our teeth look really white.
Oh my god, right?
Yeah. Do our teeth look white?
I got them whitened yesterday.
I didn't. They look white still. I just have some notches on mine.
I drank coffee the next day, so I don't know if they took as well as it should have.
I drank tea that day.
Are you excited about XBIZ?
I'm so excited.
Woo!
I'm excited that we're going together.
I am too. This is nice. Yo! Hey! Move! Yes! Beep!
Seriously, I don't understand what they're doing.
No, they don't know. Oh my god.
No, there's just traffic.
I will get out of this car.
No, there's just traffic.
There's nobody
I
coming.
don't see any
They're
traffic.
just sitting there.
You gotta pick a lane. Pick the left or the right. It's not okay if you don't pick a side.
Yeah, they're just chilling in the middle.
Yo!
LA traffic!
I am impatient. This is actually really great.
Yeah.
Now it's now we're ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, stop. Stop it.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, but no. Yes, but no.
No.
Yes, but no at the same time. Oh,
Yeah.
True.
And so you're always kind of like,
It's the director style now.
yeah, I liked my
And
imagination
XBIZ.
better.
Yeah.
'Cause I thought, I don't know, so.
We have better imaginations.
imagination.
Imagination.
Can you turn that off? Look at my arm.
What?
What street are we on?
I don't. I asked you that. Where am I? I'm in the back seat. I have no control. They're taking me. Who
Are you
knows where
cold
they're
or
taking
hot?
me?
How's the temperature
If
for
you don't see me again, help. Abigail took me
We've
somewhere.
stolen the Romi.
Are you cold?
No, we can't be at Los Angeles, Fairfax. That's like that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, other side of
Yeah,
it.
it doesn't, because they're both like parallel to each other.
Whoa, parallelograms.
Parallelogram. That's a real thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're in Koreatown.
We're in Koreatown right now.
Yeah! Let's go eat some Koreans.
Hence all the signs that we
Korean?
can't read. So if Glenn doesn't smoke, is he gonna get home okay? Is
He has his little pen.
he gonna get lost
eats
in the
edibles,
forest?
too.
Oh.
Who was that?
101 table. What up? Oh my god, I think it's starting. It sounds like a dinosaur in here. Ah!
XBIZ award.
That's right! How gross is that? So gross. I didn't think I was gonna win because I don't give out the butthole, man! Romi!
And we're here to present the Billing Company of the Year. And the nominees are...
Well.
Billing Company of the Year.
And the winner is... Because that's the only lines they gave me. Come up here and get your award, baby.
This is the...
Anyway, we are also here to present the award for a web host of the year. And the nominees are...
And the nominees... Wait, no, that was the nominees. The winner is... Mojo Host.